Pandas library created by Wes McKinney in 2008. It is built on top of NumPy, provides easy to use data structures and data analysis tools. It's a fundamental library in Python for data manipulation and analysis. It provides easy to use data structures and tools that significantly enhance data handling capabilities. With Pandas, you can efficiently work with structured data like tables or spreadsheets, making it an indispensable tool for data scientists, analysts, and engineers alike. Its popularity stems from the ability from its ability to seamlessly integrate with other powerful libraries such as NumPy for numerical computations and Matplotlib for visualization, creating a comprehensive data analysis toolkit. In essence, Pandas acts as the bridge between raw data and actionable insights, streamlining the process of extracting meaning from your datasets. From data cleaning to aggregation and visualization, Pandas is a powerhouse in the world of data science.